Hey there! Did you know that you can make money on TikTok without needing a huge following or fancy equipment? I couldn't believe it either, but it's true. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning with TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, even if you're a total beginner. Here's how it works. You promote products from the TikTok Shop in your videos, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but all you have to do is create fun and engaging videos. You don't even have to handle the products or deal with shipping. And here's the best part. Some TikTok Shop affiliates are earning up to $800 a day with this method. Yes, you heard me right, $800 a day. So if you want to learn how you can tap into this opportunity and start making money on TikTok, then keep watching. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. What is TikTok Shop affiliate marketing? TikTok Shop affiliate marketing is super simple. You promote products from the TikTok Shop in your videos, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. You don't have to handle the product, deal with shipping, or answer customer questions. Your only job is to get people excited about the product and click on your link. This makes it perfect for beginners because you don't need a lot of money to start, you don't need to buy products yourself, and you can get started quickly. It's all about creating cool content and letting TikTok's massive audience do the rest. How to get started with TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Getting started with TikTok Shop affiliate marketing is easier than you might think. First, make sure you have a TikTok account. If you already post videos on TikTok, you're halfway there. The next step is to sign up for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. This program lets you promote products, generate affiliate links, and track your earnings. If you already have more than 1,000 followers, signing up is super quick and can be done right through the TikTok app. But even if you have 0 followers, you can still join TikTok Shop as an affiliate by following a few extra steps. Don't worry, I'll guide you in just a bit. Once you're signed up, the next part is finding products people want to buy. TikTok Shop makes it easy by showing you top-selling products, but I'll show you some ways to find the best ones to promote. After that, it's all about creating fun videos and adding your product link. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. Step-by-step guide to signing up for TikTok Shop affiliate program. Search your web browser for TikTok Shop affiliate sign up. Click on the first link that leads to the official TikTok Shop page. Enter your email address on the sign up page, and TikTok will send you a 6-digit code to verify your email. Check your inbox, and once you get the code, enter it to confirm your account. Create a password for your TikTok Shop account. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. After that, click Continue. Now, you'll need to choose your business type. If you're just doing this for yourself, select Individual. But if you have an official business, like an LLC or corporation, pick the appropriate option. Verify your identity by uploading a clear photo of your driver's license or passport. TikTok needs this to confirm that you are who you say you are. Next, provide your social security number or taxpayer identification number. This might feel a bit personal, but it's required for tax purposes. TikTok will send you a form for your earnings at the end of the year. Pick your product category. You'll choose the types of products you want to promote, but don't stress about it too much. You can always switch it up later. Popular categories include home goods and kitchenware, which are always a safe bet for new affiliates. Lastly, confirm your phone number by entering a code that TikTok will send you. Once you've done that, submit your application. That's it. After you finish the steps, TikTok will review your info and send you an approval email. From there, you can start browsing products to promote and setting up your affiliate links. You'll be all set to start earning. Let's move on to finding the best products to promote and making your content stand out. Finding products to promote as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Once you've signed up for the TikTok Shop affiliate program, the next step is finding the right products to promote. The good news: FastMoss makes this part easy. You can browse through their list of best-selling products and trending items, which gives you a great starting point. Look for products that are already getting a lot of attention. These are more likely to sell because people are already interested. But don't just pick any product. Think about your audience, even if it's small. What do they like? For example, if you're into health, promoting vitamins and supplements might make sense. If you're into home decor, focus on trendy home items. Pick products you genuinely like, or that you think your audience would enjoy. It's much easier to promote something you believe in. Creating engaging content that converts. The secret to making money with TikTok Shop affiliate marketing is all in the content. You need to create videos that grab attention and get people excited about the products you're promoting. To do this, you don't need fancy equipment or professional editing skills. Authenticity works best on TikTok. Start by thinking about what makes you stop scrolling on TikTok. Usually, it's videos that show something cool or offer something helpful. So, when you're creating content, focus on showing the product in action. If you're promoting a kitchen gadget, for example, make a quick video showing how easy it makes cooking. Or if you're into fashion, do a try-on haul where you show off the clothes and how they look on you. Also, try adding a personal touch. Share why you like the product or how it's helped you. People are more likely to trust your recommendation if they see you genuinely like the product. Keep your videos short, engaging, and to the point. TikTok users have short attention spans, so you want to hook them fast. Don't forget to add your affiliate link in the description. This makes it easy for viewers to click and buy right from your video. The goal is to make it as simple as possible for people to go from watching to buying. Boosting TikTok Shop sales with FastMoss. Now let's talk about FastMoss, an absolute game changer when it comes to boosting your TikTok Shop sales. Recently, FastMoss has released some exciting upgrades that have made it even more powerful and user-friendly. One of the biggest improvements is the algorithm optimization. This helps you get more accurate data, so you can make better decisions faster. FastMoss uses special tools like the Traffic Index and Sales Potential Index to help you figure out which products will perform best. These are calculated by FastMoss itself, meaning no one else has access to this data. The Traffic Index shows how much attention a product is receiving, while the Sales Potential Index tells you how well it might sell. These insights make it super easy to find winning products in TikTok Shop. But that's not all. FastMoss has also added new analytical dimensions, like non-standard fields, giving you deeper insights than before. Additionally, they've expanded their database, so now you have access to more accurate and broader data. The platform's user interface has also received a major upgrade, making it much more user-friendly. The product detail page has been improved, so now it's easier to access and act on important information. The influencer detail page also got a boost with better navigation and more detailed influencer data, helping you find the right people to partner with. With membership benefits increased but the cost staying the same, and the ability to export influencer contact info, FastMoss makes it easier than ever to collaborate with influencers and drive sales. On top of that, you can now buy single account rights for both main and sub accounts, making it flexible for different needs. And if that's not enough, FastMoss often runs special discount promotions, so you can grab all these features at a lower price.